Dear Ate Dorina, I hope this message finds you well. Napanood ko ang YouTube video mo kagabi and I decided to write to you. Sumusulat ako upang humingi ng payo tungkol sa isang nakaka-alarmang sitwasyon na kinasasangkutan ng aking anak sa paaralan. Recently, she has been experiencing bullying from some of her classmates. Malaki ang naging epekto nito sa kanya, both emotionally and academically. Siya ay naging tahimik, balisa, at bumaba ang kanyang mga marka sa eskwela. As a mother, it breaks my heart to see my child suffer this way. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang pinakamainam na hakbang upang suportahan siya at upang mabisang matugunan ang isyong ito sa school. I am worried about her well-being and want to ensure she feels safe and valued in her learning environment. Lubos kong ipagagalak ang anumang advice or strategies na maaari mong ibahagi na makakatulong sa amin palagpasan ang hamon nito. Your experience and insights would be invaluable in helping me support my daughter through this difficult time. Maraming salamat sa inyong oras at pag-unawa. Warm regards, Tess. Hi, Tess. Thank you for reaching out and sharing your concerns about your daughter's experience. Nakikita ko kung gaano ka nag-aalala para sa kanyang kalagayan. At napakalinaw na mahal mo siya. It's completely understandable to feel deeply affected by what she's going through. Your proactive approach in seeking advice is commendable and will be instrumental in helping her navigate this difficult time. First and foremost, it's crucial to open a line of communication with your daughter. Encourage her to express her feelings and experiences without fear of judgment. Ipaalam mo sa kanya na hindi siya nag-iisa at okay lang na malungkot sa mga nangyayari. Sometimes, just knowing that someone is there to listen can provide immense comfort. Next, I recommend arranging a meeting with her teachers or school counselors. Kailangan nilang malaman ang sitwasyon upang masubaybayan ang kanyang mga interaksyon sa school at makialam kung kinakailangan. Schools often have anti-bullying policies and programs in place, and they can offer support services to both the victim and the aggressor to address the root of the behavior. Building your daughter's self-esteem is also vital. Engage her in activities where she excels or feels happy, whether it's sports, arts, or any hobby she enjoys. This can help her regain confidence and develop resilience. Additionally, consider seeking the help of a child psychologist or counselor. Professional guidance can provide your daughter with coping strategies to deal with bullying and its emotional impact. Therapy can also equip her with skills to assert herself and manage stress effectively. Lastly, emphasize the importance of a supportive home environment. Keep communication open, encourage positive relationships, and reinforce her worth and capabilities. Remember, addressing bullying is a process, and it may take time for things to improve. Your love, support, and proactive measures will make a significant difference in her life. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need further guidance or resources. With empathy and support, Ate Dorina.